What's up, everybody? So today we are going to be sublimating on a gray shirt. Stay with us, I'll show you how. If you're new to doing sublimation t-shirts, drop a comment. We might do a whole video on it, but before we start the video, if you can give this a like, a comment, and a subscribe, and help us keep posting more videos. Alright, thank you. Now, to get these sublimation prints, you either can buy them off places like Etsy or any other website that sells sublimation prints, or you can buy your own printer, print them out yourself. In the long run, personally, I think that is better, in my opinion. We got a Sawgrass 1000. Let us know if you want a comment. Drop in the comments if you want us to do a video on that too. Alright, let's get to it. We will be doing it on this Team 365 100% polyester. So when you do these, the most important thing you need is, of course, a good design and a heat press. We get ours from Heat Press Nation. Shout out. We're still getting up to temp, and once we're up to temp, we will continue. We just hit our temperature that we need for our heat press, and it is 385 for 60 seconds on sublimation.
First thing you want to do is grab your shirt and go ahead and press it for about 5 seconds, just to take the wrinkles out. Then once you finish that, you want to go ahead and put butcher paper on the inside so that it doesn't bleed through the shirt to the back side. So lay flat. And then you want to take your design and center it and place it where you want it on the shirt. Normally I kind of line it up with the tag. And then you want to tape it down so that it doesn't move while you are pressing it. And then you cover it with butcher paper again to make sure that it doesn't bleed through onto your heat press. And you have your heat press set at 385, and you're going to press it for 60 seconds.
Back.
Okay, and once it's done pressing, you go ahead and remove it and take it out of the heat. You want to go ahead and take your paper off, and then you want to be careful because it's hot. You want to go ahead and remove the design so you don't have fallout.
So that's it. That is how you do sublimation on a gray 100% polyester t-shirt. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe.